Hello everyone, it's Katie. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. And today I have a fun and interesting video for you guys to share with you. I was trying to figure out something to do for today's video and realized that this is a perfect example and a perfect thing for Bible studying, for pretty much anything. So I want to share with you what I use this handy dandy thing for. And then I'm also going to share with you a couple different ways you can use this. So I found this at Walmart. I don't think it cost me any more than maybe $2 something, I think. I will try to link it down below so you guys can check it out for yourself. But this thing it's really cool. It's a very small, kind of like a flashcard index card pack that has this ring on it. So it's double-sided, which I love, and I already decorated this side, but I'm going to decorate the other side with you using just some plain washi tape. But what I'm going to share with you is a few things you can do with this. Now, you could use this for Bible memorization, where you could write Bible verses on each one, and it'll help you memorize that way. So you can flip, like you can have, say one side you can have the verse where it's found, like say John 3:16, and then the back you can write the verse down. So that way it'll help you memorize your Bible verses. Another way, which is what I use it for, is for prayer requests. So when a prayer request comes up from any of my friends, family, or for myself, I put it in here. And I thought of another good idea today as I was looking at this is the first half I could use for prayer requests, and then I could flip it over and have the other side as answered prayers. So I thought that was a really cool idea that you could use this for. So I'm just going to show you an example here because I don't mind sharing a few of my prayers. Let me see where I can find them. Okay, so like this one says, this is for my prayers, and it just says, give me the courage to pursue the promises you gave me, which I have shared with you guys in the past about what God has for me, so I just want the strength to pursue what He has for me. And then physical healings, my back, my feet, and my eyes, and my mouth. So that's just prayer requests that He has helped me so much with those things, and He continues to help me. So that's just another example that you could use these for. You could even use this for books of the Bible that you finished. Like you can write down each chapter of a book that you finished, you can put in here. You could use this for so many things. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you how I decorated the one side with washi tape. I'm going to probably use my Faith washi tape that I got from Dayspring, and it's really pretty. It says, let's see what it says. It says, all the nations on earth be blessed. So that's what we're going to use today to decorate this. So that's just a few things you could use this thing for. You could use it, let's see what else we could use it for. We could use it for planning if you wanted to, like if you have a hard time keeping track of what you want to read in your Bible, you can plan that ahead of time in this. Even this could be just used for like basic list making if you wanted to. Like you don't have to use it specifically for Bible journaling, but I definitely want this as specifically for that. And I definitely want to get more of these because they're really cool. So all I do is I'm just going to wrap this around. I did put it on one side only last time on this side. This side only has it on one side, but I felt like it didn't stick on very well. So I'm going to wrap it around once, and I feel like that's going to really help it stick down even more so. So let's see. You could also use it for if you wanted to. It'd be really cool if like you could put your favorite Bible verse and then have your friends and family and even your Facebook friends and ask them what their favorite Bible verses are, and then make a little flip book out of all those favorite verses, writing their names down for whose favorite verse it is. I think that's a great idea. I actually might do that. So if you're in any of my Bible journaling groups I'm in, I may be asking that question. So that'd be kind of fun to ask and share with you guys. Let's see, what else could we use this for? There are so many things this could be used for. Like, as I said, memorization, I love that idea, just to help with memorization. So I may have to possibly get a whole bunch of these and use them for all the different things I mentioned. There's just so many things. You can even use these to practice your doodling. Like in one of my groups, we have doodle of the day, and you can even use these for the doodle of the day. You can write the date down and then practice your doodling. So that way you can practice your skills for when you Bible journal. I think that's another great idea. Or for word of the day, where you can find a word of the day and then find a verse to go along with it and then write that down. So there are a lot of different things you could do. There's just so many ideas that you could do. And you can also, if you wanted to, you could decorate all the pages if you wanted to. You don't have to just do the cover. You could do the whole book if you wanted to and add washi tape and stickers to each page. They are really small, but what I like about this is you can take this with you anywhere you want to go because it's got a clip on it. So you can hang this on your purse or inside your purse on the key ring, and you can take it with you. So you have those Bible verses with you, or you have that little memory book with you. So it's a great thing to have around, which I really like that. I actually have it attached to one of my little zipper pouches, but I think I might put it in my backpack from now on. So that way if I have something that I want to write in there, I can already add it in there. And we're almost done decorating this front cover. I like the idea of this blue washi tape to go with it. But yeah, so this is just a fun way. There's so many different ways to use this cute little flashcard holder thingy. But if you have any more ideas on how to use this, I would love to hear down below. And let me know what your favorite use this would be used for. And definitely I will link down where you can find these. Even if it's not Walmart, I will hunt and find where you can find these online, so that way you guys can check this out for yourself if you want to use this in your Bible journaling. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe down below. I hope you all have a wonderful day and a blessed rest of the week, and I will see you all in the next video.